So many young girls and boys attending the school and all the officials here present. I haven't prepared like a long speech, or in fact not, but some comments from our side. And first, of course, then part of your Swahili went a bit above my level. I just started to take some Swahili courses, but this was really the advanced level already, so I apologize for that, but maybe 1 year's time.
Thank you.
And well, there is a lot I could say, but some points. First, I would really like to thank the authorities here and also the Water Service Trust Fund for the good cooperation that we have had over the years. It's really wonderful to see that this cooperation we see results from this cooperation and this work also here in this school. We are doing different work and different programs and projects in Kenya. Water is important, very important for us, and so we are also working in the forestry sector, in the rural development, and then to advance human rights and good governance. Of course, that's what we would like to see is that all these elements that's what we are working, that can profit from each other, that also the work that we are doing in the water sector, it evidently has an impact also on the program that we are doing in rural development. So a big congratulations to your work here, and that we